This is the assembly diffuser and deflecting assembly placed upon the LED assembly. This is having different layers. See, this is having layer number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is a thick plastic sheet placed upon the LED. Then this is the deflecting mirror. Then one thin sheet on the top layer where we are going to place the LCD display. So before LCD display, all this assembly comes. Then this assembly will be bracketed by this type of brackets in all 4 directions. So this is the diffusing and reflector assembly.